Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a topic that is getting more attention worldwide: bioethanol. Bioethanol is a renewable energy source that is produced from organic materials such as agricultural waste, crop residues, and animal waste. It is a cleaner burning alternative to fossil fuels like gasoline and diesel, and it helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The production of bioethanol involves two main steps: fermentation and distillation. In the fermentation process, organic materials are converted into alcohol by bacteria, yeasts, or other microorganisms. The most common bioethanol production method is the use of yeast, which can convert about 2 to 3 tons of glucose per gram of yeast into ethanol. There are two main types of bioethanol: first-generation bioethanol, which is produced from crops like corn, wheat, and sugarcane, and second-generation bioethanol, which is produced from waste materials such as wood, corn stalks, and cotton seed. Both types of bioethanol have their advantages and disadvantages. However, the use of second-generation bioethanol can help reduce the demand for land used for crops and reduce the carbon footprint of ethanol production. Bioethanol has several benefits. It is a renewable energy source that reduces the dependence on fossil fuels and helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It can also help reduce our dependence on imported fuels and improve energy security. However, there are also some concerns about the use of bioethanol. The production of bioethanol requires large amounts of raw materials and can have a negative impact on the environment, such as deforestation and land degradation. In conclusion, bioethanol is a promising renewable energy source that has the potential to help reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and improve energy security. However, it is important to address the concerns about its production and to find ways to improve its sustainability.